back to my channel. It's your girl Chante. And if you're new here, please be sure to hit that subscription button followed by the notification bell so you are updated when I post new videos weekly. In this video, I am bringing you a video solely on these contact lenses that I was given. They were sent to me by Iris Beauty. So if you want to hear my honest opinion on these contacts, just keep on watching. Okay guys, so these contacts were sent to me by Iris Beauty. I got 2 pairs sent this time. The last time I got pure brown. This time I have mineral green, which is the ones that are in my eyes, and powder brown. So this time they came with their own little container. I think the last time it only came with these 2. And then you just take the little package, peel its muffin cap back blue, and you put it inside the container. They are very, like I'm looking here in my mirror, they are very comfortable. The only time you'll ever have issues, when I have issues, is when like your hands need to be completely clean when you're putting them on. I don't wear contacts, I don't wear glasses, so it's I'm getting better at putting them in. Like usually it takes me a very long time, and this didn't take me that long to put in, but they're very comfortable. When you first put them on, if you're not used to contacts, it feels a little funny. But now, as I'm like wearing them for the past 10 minutes, it's like settling in and it's fine. You just have to make sure that your hands are clean and when you're applying them, because then any particles that you have on your hands will stick to the contact lens and then it'll stick on your eye. And when I first put them on, there must have been like something on my hand, like a piece of hair or like some kind of fiber on my finger, because this eye was like, I could feel something scratching my eye tremendously. So these contacts are, let me just get the paperwork for you. I mentioned them in another video that they were sent to me, but this is Iris Beauty, and they sent me this little pamphlet that I'm going to read to you, and it says, "Hello gorgeous, Iris Beauty is happy to have you on board as one of their favorite influencers. Welcome to our amazing family of beauty bloggers, color contact lens addicts, and makeup artists that love unique shades, safe to use, and ethically sourced products. We cannot wait to see your review on these beauties." Now, for me, I love putting them on when I'm doing a makeup look. So after this, I'm going to record another look because I just find contact lenses to be so bomb. It's fun to be able to play up, like one day I got blue, one day I got green. They have so many different colors available, and these are FDA approved. It's a New York based company that was created in 2017. And it says, "Every woman deserves versatility in her makeup look and her makeup routine that makes her feel good about herself." So you can find them at Iris Beauty NYC on both Facebook and Instagram. Now, these come in, like I mentioned before, these little packages, and it has the contact solution in there. Obviously, you should probably have extra contact solution, because I didn't know that in the past when I bought these snake eye contact lenses that they dry up. So you should have extra solution to keep them moisturized, so that way when you're using them, you're not putting on crackled contact lenses. You're putting on fresh, clean, clear contact lenses. So you get the little container, and I believe the other ones that I got didn't come with the container because I had my own. And so now I have 3 of them. They sent me 2 this time because I did so good with reviewing the first time. So I really love getting these. I've always wanted to buy contact lenses to just be able to wear around, and now I have them. And the package comes here just like this with your color and the name of it, and a little sticker to indicate which is which. So I think these are really cute. And then this brown ones, I'll show you what it looks like because I haven't opened these. So it comes just like this, both contact solutions in there, and then your little contact lens case. And these I'll keep in the box because I didn't open them yet, but the other ones, since I already opened them, I can toss the box. Since I didn't open them, I can toss the box and let them go. And these are called, this is part of an essentials collection, the ones I have in my eyes, and then these powder browns are passion. So they are very cute, very comfortable. I think that you can, my eyelashes are looking so long, oh my gosh. I think that you can have so much fun with these. You know me, I would literally just walk out the house just like this, no makeup, just a little bit of moisturizer, and eyebrows not done, because that's fun. This is who I am naturally. without the contact lenses. So, you know, you can play it up a little bit. It's very fun. Like, they're really, I keep looking in both mirrors, my computer viewfinder and then this vanity mirror, just so that I can get a good idea of what I'm looking like. And I think it looks really great, really bomb.com. So if you guys want to get these 2 colors, I'll list them below so you can easily find them. Their collections, they have the Essentials, the Passion, and the Intense. Essential lenses have been inspired by the beauty of natural eyes. They have a slightly underlined ring that gently complements the chosen iris color, resulting in a brighter, more memorable you. Passion. The Passion collection is composed of complex tones to accentuate the radiance in your eyes. The outside ring is also more noticeable than in our Essential lenses, helping to brighten your eyes to create a look as unique as you. The Intense lenses are a perfect choice if you want to stand out. They have a sharp contrast ring that outlines your iris to create a depth and definition for a bolder look. About 27 colors, and then they also have an eyebrow pencil and an eyeliner available. And they are located at 16 East 34th Street. So if you use Chylissa 15 at checkout, you can get a little discount. So make sure you use Chylissa 15, and that's an affiliate link, so you will be able to get a discount. So I hope you guys go and check that out, and I hope that this helped you so you can know what contact lenses to go and buy. And if you want to see me in more colors, I can get some more colors for you guys, so that way you have an understanding of what they actually look like on. So yeah, that's all I have for this video. So I hope to see you guys in the next video. I hope this was informative and you guys enjoyed. So I will see you in the next video. Bye.
Yo, look, hey yo, I open my eyes, the sunrise right atop my cranium. Stress weigh the body like uranium. What's the verbatim? Everyday like deja vu. Only fear is I start to get comfortable, not wanna be typical. Climb my way to the pinnacle while I'm alive in my physical, yo.